Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix Windows search bar not working. If your Windows search bar is not working, it can make it difficult to find apps, files, or settings quickly. This issue is usually caused by system glitches, indexing problems, or background services not running properly. This guide will walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix the search bar on your Windows computer. To begin, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer on the list. Right-click it and select Restart. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and press Enter. Find Windows Search in the list. Right-click it and select Restart. Another approach, just by pressing Windows plus I to open the settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Then click the search. Click Advanced Indexing Options. Then click Advanced. Select Rebuild under Troubleshooting. Go back to Settings and click Indexer Troubleshooters. Check the Search and Indexing Troubleshooter. Click Next. Then click Try Troubleshoot. Restart your computer to apply all changes. Tip: keeping your Windows system updated can help prevent search-related issues. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.